Hi, it's Sarah from Amaterasu Beauty. Today I'll be showing you more tips on how to use our Shimmer Eye Pencil. And this time, instead of using a white shimmer, which I've done in my other videos, I'm going to show you how to use my yellow shimmer. Now, the yellow shimmer compared to the white shimmer, I'm just going to show you on my hands. See this? It's still a very, very cool yellow. I was very adamant to not sign off on a yellow, sort of like a warm yellow that tends to an orange. What that does is if you apply it near your eyes, it's just not very flattering. And the white shimmer as well as the yellow shimmer. The yellow shimmer is an icy yellow. The white shimmer is a pristine white. So it's a very bright and clean shade, especially for highlighting. So let me demo. So this is where I would apply the shimmer pencil. And this is what I do in the morning. Now the key is subtlety, and some people would say, oh, I can't even see it. The point is, it does what it needs to do. A little bit goes a long way. It brightens your eyes. It gives you this nice sheen, and I also like to add just a little on my brow bone, so about like that 3/4 ways, and then I'll blend it off. Pressure is very important, so don't press down too hard or else you wipe off your product. So it's just gliding it. Again, that gives the brow a really nice lift. Again, keyword subtle. And on my upper lip. There's a Cupid's bow area. A little on the tip of my nose. See how it adds just a bit of sheen? Now you can certainly go along here as well. And then that. So even if you don't wear a lot of makeup and you just want a quick pick me up, then applying it right here, brow bone, upper lip, and nose.